Welcome back to day 4 of cybersecurity series by Zevionix. In the last videos we covered the basics, and today we are diving deeper into the world of cybersecurity. In this video we will explore the phases of ethical hacking, skills required to become a hacker, and the tools used by the hackers. Stay tuned till the end, this is going to be interesting. Phases of ethical hacking. First one, Reconnaissance phase. This is also known as information gathering phase. This means gathering information about the target. It includes website details, IP addresses, and employee information. It has different types. First, passive, which means without touching the target. And next, active, interacting with the system. In simple terms, it's like doing your homework before an attack. Second phase is known as scanning phase. In this phase, the hackers checks the open ports, running services, and the weak points of your system. To achieve this, the hackers uses the tools like Nmap. It is used to check where the doors are open. Third phase is known as gaining access. இதுதான் மெயின் ஸ்டேஜ். வீக் பாயிண்ட்ஸை யூஸ் பண்ணி உங்கள் சிஸ்டம்குள்ளே என்ட்ரு ஆவாங்க. It has many methods. First one, password cracking method. Second one, SQL injection method. Third one, exploits method. சிம்பிளாக சொல்லணும்னா பாஸ்வேர்டை கிராக் பண்ணிட்டு சிஸ்டம் ஆக்சஸை கெயின் பண்ணுறது. Fourth one, maintaining access phase in hacking. ஹேக்கர் ஒன்ஸ் உங்கள் சிஸ்டமை ஹேக் பண்ணி உள்ளே வந்ததுக்கப்புறம் லாங் டைம் ஸ்டே பண்ண தான் பார்ப்போம். To take all of your details without knowing to you. By using backdoors usage, Trojans usage, inside வந்து பர்மனெண்ட் ரூம் இருக்கிற மாதிரி, அதுவும் ஃப்ரீயாக யூஸரோட நாலேஜே இல்லாமல். And last one, covering tracks phase in hacking. இதை யூஸ் பண்ணி அவன் உள்ளே வந்துட்டு போன எல்லா டீட்டெயில்ஸும் எரேஸ் பண்ணிடுவான். ஸோ nobody can track him. சிம்பிளாக சொல்லணும்னா நம்ம பர்சனல் இன்ஃபர்மேஷன்லாம் திருடிட்டு அவன் க்ளீனாக எஸ்கேப் ஆகிடுவான். And our next topic is skills required for hacking. First one, technical skills. First one, networking basics, OSI model, programming in Python, C and JavaScript, Linux usage. Fourth one, web security basics. Remember, it's not just about using tools. Understanding the system is non-technical skills. Non-technical skills are problem solving, analytical thinking, patience, and curiosity. Being an ethical hacker is not only about decoding, it's away from it. Let's see the overview of ethical hacking tools. Today, we are diving into the essential tools every ethical hacker. Let's explore some popular ethical hacking tools. First one, Kali Linux operating system for hackers, because it is the go-to OS for hackers, packed with hundreds of tools for penetration testing and security research. Second one, Nmap network scanning tool. This tool is perfect for network scanning, helping you discover hosts and services on a computer network. Third one, MEDF. It is used for developing and executing code against the remote target machine. Fourth one, Wireshark packet analysis tool. It captures and analyzes network traffic in real time. Fifth one, Burp Suite web application testing tool. It is essential for web application security testing, allowing you to find weak points in web app. டாக்டர்ஸ் எப்படி இன்ஸ்ட்ருமெண்ட்ஸ் வச்சுருப்பாங்களோ அது போல் ஹேக்கர்ஸ் இந்த டூல்ஸ் வச்சுருப்பாங்க. So today we covered the ethical hacking phases, skills required and the tools used. We will dive into even deeper topics. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.